For student management, so we'll go to Student tab. There, in the group section, we will be having segregating of different groups. To upload the students, we'll be going to download the format. So once the format is downloaded, we'll be filling the student details here. So, like what the student name need to be, and emails and phone number and group details. Once that is done, we'll upload the students. Then successfully, the student will be added to with the particular group. So there you can find the student which we added now. So here the CSA group we added. So if you click on that, so the person Samira at Gmail and the student is added there within details and into that particular group.